As Aurora keeps trucking along, investors that stay in its lane remain on board because of what's viewed as rapid commercial expansion in autonomous trucking that's beginning to translate into meaningful revenue growth. While detractors from the opposing lane stick to pointing out continued losses, alongside the usual crowd that opposes AI overtaking human jobs. Aurora now operates a 1,000-mile fully driverless lane between Phoenix and Fort Worth, exceeding federal hours of service limits for human drivers. By eliminating mandatory rest breaks, Aurora says transit times can be nearly cut in half, significantly improving asset utilization. Its expanded Sunbelt network connects Dallas-Houston, Fort Worth-El Paso, El Paso-Phoenix, Fort Worth-Phoenix, and Dallas-Laredo. As of January 2026, Aurora logged 250,000 driverless miles with 0 collisions attributed to its Aurora driver system. Commercial truck capacity is fully committed through Q3 2026, signaling strong early demand. On top of that, investor attention watches for signs of revenue traction from new commercial agreements, including a deal with Detmar Logistics to deploy up to 30 autonomous trucks in 2026 for Permian Basin frac sand hauling. So as usual, some of the most impactful boosts for these trucks will come from whether the pace of customer adoption and monetization are in line with the proposed pace of profitability. Similarly, trucking tailwinds can also come from new technology that cuts costs. A recent example was the debut of the long-range First Light LiDAR that could cut costs in half while improving performance, as Aurora plans to deploy more than 200 trucks by the end 2026, whilst also tripling its driverless network to 10 routes across the southern U.S. All the while, high-volume hardware production is targeted for 2027 through its partnership with Continental, AUMOVIO. A key enabler of expansion is Aurora's 4th software release, since launching commercial driverless operations in April 2025. The update allows trucks to operate in adverse weather, including rain, fog, and heavy wind conditions that previously limited Texas operations about 40% of the time in 2025. Increased weather capability meaningfully boosts uptime and revenue potential. Aurora is also accelerating route deployment using automated mapping powered by its verifiable AI, reducing human input after initial manual drives. Supervised autonomous deliveries for customers started in Hirschbach, serving Driscoll's between Dallas and Laredo, and Detmar Logistics in Texas. Then, although Aurora is still in early commercialization, financially speaking, current liquidity of about $1.6 billion can fund operations into at least the second half of 2027. Providing more confidence, positive free cash flow can be reached in 2028. Looking ahead in the near future, Aurora plans to deploy next-generation hardware on international LT Series trucks without ride observers in Q2 2026. Management positions autonomy as a margin-expanding tool for carriers, with 24/7 operations and network density across the Sunbelt, forming the foundation for long-term scale. So as we wait to see if Aurora's first-mover advantage in autonomous freight is beginning to convert into financial fuel, remember, for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.